informational books are giving us facts about a topic. Other times, authors write to tell us what they think or believe about something. Then, as a reader, we can look for reasons that support the point an author wants to make. Today, I want to teach you how to identify reasons that support an author's point in a text. One way we can do this is by noticing how the author feels about the topic. Then, we'll look for a part that tells us why the author feels this way. This will help us to have a better understanding of what the author wants to inform us about a specific topic. Let's try this out with this text called Our Garden Helpers. First, we're going to read the story and think, what does the author feel about worms? Worms are wet and wiggly. Some kids think worms are icky. I think worms are amazing. A worm has a head end and a tail end. In between are lots of segments or small parts. Each segment has 4 bristles or stiff hairs. The bristles help the worm move through the soil. Worms are good diggers. They dig tunnels. These tunnels help our plants. The tunnels loosen the soil so that air and water can reach the roots of the plant. Worms eat dead leaves, soil, and small twigs. Worm poop, called castings, makes the soil healthy for our plants. Worms are our garden helpers. First, I want to ask myself, how does the author feel about worms? Well, the title is Our Garden Helpers. And in the text it says, I think worms are amazing. So I think the author feels that worms are amazing because they are our garden's helpers. Now I want to go back in the text and ask myself, why does the author feel this way? Why does the author feel that worms are amazing helpers? Right here it says that worms are good diggers. They dig tunnels. These tunnels help our plants. That lets me know why the author thinks that worms are amazing helpers. Because they dig tunnels to help our plants. Did you see what I did? First, I asked myself, how does the author feel about worms? Then I went back into the text and found why the author feels this way. Now it's your turn. Keep reading the article and see if you can find one more reason why the author feels that worms are amazing helpers.